Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a deep down comparison between the Pond's BB and the Lakme CC cream. I know that all the college and office going girls especially keep searching for options which are other than foundation when it comes to everyday use. At least that's with me, and if you are one of them, then this video is for you. I have done a detailed comparison, so I think by the end of the video you're going to be able to choose any one of them according to your skin's preference. So yes, if you're interested, please continue watching the video. Also, if you're seeing me for the first time, please take a moment and make sure that you hit that red subscribe button. And now, without wasting any time, let's quickly jump into the video. So yes, I'm all ready to begin with my comparison of both the products. Before I start that, I just want to give a small introduction on the aspects of which I'm going to do the comparison. The first, of course, being the packaging, second being the price range, the third being the availability of both the products, fourth being the application, fifth how it blends and works with the skin, and last but not the least is going to be the shade ranges of both the products. As I've already mentioned, I'm going to be doing the comparison between the Pond's BB and the Lakme CC creams. I'm going to be applying the Pond's BB on this side and the Lakme CC on this side. To start with the Pond's BB cream basically means a blemish balm or beauty balm, whatever you may prefer to call. This is what the packaging of the product looks like. It is a very travel friendly kind of packaging, very small, easy to handle. Now, one of the best things which I personally love about this product in specific is the applicator. It is a very thin applicator. You can directly dot this to your face and yes, you're good to go. I absolutely love this thing. On the other hand, we have the Lakme CC cream. CC creams are generally color correcting cream or complexion correcting cream, whatever you may say. This is what the packaging looks like. It is a very normal cream applicator sort of packaging. You just have to pump out the product, or you can just dot it directly to your skin as per your convenience. Now, talking about the price range of both my products, this one is for 129 rupees if I am not wrong. I'm going to pop up the price on the screen as well, and this is for 299 rupees. So yes, they are very much near to 200 to 300 you can say. So yes, to the third point, which is their availability. Now, both the creams are very easily available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, Purple, and also offline as well. You can purchase it both online and offline very easily. So now coming to the major part, which is the application. Now I'm just going to dot both the creams on both the side of my face and let's see how it works. So yes, I'm just going to open the package and I'm just going to dot it on the left side of my face. As I said you, this applicator really helps to apply the product. I'm going to apply it on my neck as well. Now this one has a SPF of 30 PA++, so you can skip applying sunscreen if you are just going in with this product. I'm going to blend this in with the help of my beauty sponge. You can of course use your finger as well. I'm just going to dab it all around. So yes, I have blended it in. I have to say that this has a very light to medium sort of coverage. And yes, this is what it looks like on the skin. I think this is a really good option for, if you want something optional for foundation on an everyday basis. This is really great. It really helps even to cancel out a little bit of darkness under the eyes, as you can see, and it really smoothens your skin. So yes, I kind of love this and I have been using this religiously for months now. So yes, a big thumbs up from my side. So on the other side, I'm going to go in with the Lakme 925cc cream. I'm just going to take a little bit of the product on my palm and I'll dot it all around my face. So this one has a SPF of 30 PA++, so you can also skip using sunscreen if you wish to before applying this. Now, in my case, even if I'm applying a BB or a CC cream, no matter what, I prefer to apply a layer of moisturizer and sunscreen before that. But both of them SPF of 30 PA++, so you can skip doing that if you wish to. Now, I'm just gonna be blending this in as well. I think you can already see it has a little bit more coverage as compared to BB cream in my opinion. Also, this one also helps to, cancel out any kind of darkness and redness. And yes, so yes, this is what my skin looks like after blending in the CC cream. I would say that Lakme CC cream is a great option if you have oily skin as well, because this actually mattifies your skin. Also, it's a thumbs up for this cream as well from my side. Talking about the fragrance, the Pond's BB cream has a very light fragrance. On the other hand, the Lakme CC cream has a very fresh fragrance. I actually love the fragrance of both the creams. Honestly, in my opinion, both of them really performs well, and I keep switching between these two. If you are searching for a good, optional on an everyday basis apart from using foundation, then you can definitely select any one of these according to your skin type. Now, talking about the shades, the first one, Pond's BB cream, comes in two different shades. The first one is 01 light and the second one is 02. The first one is for light to medium skin tone, and the second one is for medium to dark skin tone. I have the shade 01, which is light, and I think this clearly matches my skin tone, so yes. And the second one, which is the Lakme CC cream, comes in 4 different shades. The one which I have is bronze. The other 4 shades are beige, honey, bronze and almond. So yes, you can go ahead, do a little bit of research and select the one according to your shade range, and you can of course use both of them on a regular basis. I personally go in more with the BB one as compared to CC cream, because I think this gives me a light coverage. That is what I want on a everyday basis, but of course it's your personal choice. Both of them performs really well and they both are worth every penny. So yes, that was my comparison between the Pond's BB and the Lakme CC cream. I hope that you have got an idea what is gonna suit your skin. I have tried to include as many points as I can. I'm also going to be giving you different options as well. For the Pond's BB cream, I have the another one, which is the Garnier BB cream. I have personally used this, works great for my skin. You can of course try this one as well. And for the CC cream, in my knowledge, Sugar has one amazing option. You can check it out as well. I'm going to link all the products in the description box down below for you guys. So yes, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you know the drill. So please make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, comment down below which one you like more. I would be more than happy to read your comments, and please check out my Instagram. The link is going to be in my description box. And yes, that's pretty much it. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.